Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Einstein version 4 7 billion parameter model locally in a full version. I won't be using quantized one so that we would be able to see the full performance of this model. This model is quite interesting in a sense that it is a powerful Mistral based supervised fine-tuned model using diverse, high quality and filtered open source datasets. The researcher behind this model has also converted multiple choice datasets to longer responses with mixed role to ensure model gives explanation for its answers instead of giving the right option, which is quite cool in my humble opinion. This model has been fully fine-tuned using Axolotl for 1.5 epochs and uses CatML as its prompt template like many other good open source models out there. And this is a train loss diagram from the Reddit post of this researcher. And also if you look at his Twitter, he has given some of the benchmarks where this model has performed in an awesome way. For example, it has achieved the score of 66.62 on the OpenLLM leaderboard, surpassing many SFT models of similar size. And SFT stands for supervised fine tuning, and it is a process where a pre trained model is further trained or fine tuned on a smaller domain specific dataset under supervision to enhance its performance on specific tasks or understand specific types of data better. Okay, now coming back to our Einstein 7 billion parameter model, now let's see how can we get it installed locally on the Linux system. You can use the same commands if you have Python on Windows or Windows subsystem for Linux. So you can see that I'm using my Ubuntu 22.04. Let me first fire up my Python interpreter. I already have Transformers library installed. Let me first clear the screen and then let's fire up the Python. First thing, let's import some of the libraries needed. That is done. Let's specify our model name here, and I'm using the full model. As you can see, as I have one GPU of 16 GPV RAM and 32 GPU of RAM, so I'm going to specify my device as CUDA. And now let's download the model from Hugging Face. Let's press enter here, and you can see that it is downloading the shards of the models, and there are three shards. So let's wait for all the three shards to get loaded here, and then we will go from there. Third shard of model is in progress of downloading. Second shard has already been done, as you can see. So make sure that you have around 16 GB of hard disk space available on your system, because as you can see there are three shards of almost around 5 gig each. Third shard is almost done. Let's wait for it to finish, and then it will just load the checkpoints of the model, which should not take too long. And this is the point where if you have insufficient VRAM of GPU, it will fail. Let's wait for it to come back. That's all done. Beautiful. Now let's also specify our tokenizer from the auto tokenizer. That is good. Let me clear the screen just to make it more easily visible, because model download has been done. Now all we need to do is to specify our prompts and then get the output from the model. So let's do it. Now I will be asking the questions from this model from easy to difficult. The first question is a multiple choice question, because as I mentioned at the start of the video, this model is fine tuned for multiple choice questions dataset. So and I think that it performs good there. So let's see. So first I'm asking it what is the capital of France, and then I'm giving it four options: Madrid, Berlin, Paris, Lisbon. And as you know that D is the correct answer. So let's send this prompt as an input to the tokenizer to convert it into token. Now let's send it to model to generate the output, and then we are going to get the text from the output by decoding it back to the word, and then let's print it out. and I'm just getting the 100 letters. It says that the capital of France is Paris. That is good. And then it is just, we just need to, uh, massage the output. But all in all, the answer is pretty cool. That is good. Let me clear the screen. Now, let's ask it another question. So, the next question which I'm going to ask is um, around biology. So, let me paste that question. Now, in this one, okay, I think I just missed. Okay, so I just missed the uh, prompt there. So let me properly put it there. There are two codes. Sorry about that. I'll just, because I'm just doing it in real time, so that is why it is taking not as well. You see that I just had put in this extra prompt here. Anyway, so let me send it to. Uh, Maybe I'll clear the screen to show it properly. Sorry. There you go. So now I'm asking it which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis: root, stem, leaf, or flower. And the correct answer is leaf. So let's see if model is able to do that. I have sent it as an input to the tokenizer. Let's get the output from the model and then we will print it. See, so it says the correct answer is leaf. So you can see that model is pretty good in terms of multiple choice questions, and it also knows about biome. Let's try out another prompt. Let me quickly clear the screen. Now this prompt is about ancient history, so I'm asking it which civilization is known for building the pyramids, and then you know the answer that it is Egyptian. So let's see if model knows it or not. Let's send it to tokenizer output and let's print out the response of the model once it's come back. And model says Egyptian, so model is pretty intelligent. As you can see, it also knows about ancient history. Let me clear the screen and try out another thing. And another cool thing you can see, not only it is telling us the correct answer, but also that pyramids considered one of the seven wonders of ancient world. So it also knows more about it. It is also giving us more information, because I'm just getting 100 max length token, so that is why it has stopped at 100. Okay, let's clear the screen and try out another prompt. So this one is a bit recent. I'm just asking it who directed the movie Inception, Steven Spielberg, and then I'm giving it few more options there. Let's see what model thinks about it. And by the way, you can also make your guess. I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to tell you at the end as what the answer is. Okay, let's do the output and then let's print it out. Correct, that Chris Nolan, movie Inception 2010. So you see that it is not only it knows about ancient history, it also knows about some of the stuff which was done pretty recently. Now let me ask it again bit of an older question about the classic novels. So let me put the prompt here. Let me paste it quickly. So in this one, I'm asking it who wrote Pride and Prejudice, and then there are few of the writers. I think you know the answer, Jane Austen here. So let's see if model knows it or not. Let's wait for the model to come back. There you go. So model knows about Jane Austen. So really awesome stuff. Beautiful, responses, and I believe that model's quality is quite good too. It knows about its MCQs, multiple choice questions. Try it out. Let me know how you go. And I could go on and on, but I think this is a very well diverse test for the model. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will drop the link to this model in video's description too. If you're already subscribed, then please do me a favor and share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.